Important comparisons. Managing incentive-based payment contracts involves unique considerations compared to other contract types, such as lump sum, fixed price contracts and time and materials contracts. Here's a differentiation between incentive-based payment contracts and similar contract types. Payment structure. Incentive-based payments contracts. These contracts link payments to the achievement of specific performance metrics or targets, such as project milestones, energy production levels, or cost savings. Payments are variable and directly tied to performance outcomes. Lump sum contracts. Lump sum contracts involve a predetermined fixed price for a well-defined scope of work, with payments typically made in installments or based on project progress. Time and materials contracts. Time and materials contracts pay contractors for the actual time spent on the project and the cost of materials used, often with a markup. Payments are based on labor and material usage. Performance focus. Incentive-based payments contracts. The primary focus is on achieving specific performance targets or metrics outlined in the contract. Contractors are incentivized to excel in project delivery and meet or exceed performance expectations. Lump sum contracts. Payments in lump sum contracts are based on project progress or predefined project phases. Performance incentives are not typically a central feature of these contracts. Time and materials contracts. Payments in time and materials contracts are based on hourly rates and material costs, without a direct emphasis on performance metrics. Risk allocation. Incentive-based payments contracts. These contracts often allocate more risk to the contractor, as payments are contingent on meeting performance targets. Contractors must manage project risks to ensure they achieve incentives. Lump sum contracts. Contractors bear the risk of cost overruns and scope changes but are not typically at risk for performance targets. Time and materials contracts. Clients may bear the risk of cost overruns and may not have performance-related incentives. Change management. Incentive-based payments contracts. Changes to project scope or requirements may require adjustments to performance metrics and incentive structures. Effective change management is essential. Lump sum contracts. Changes in lump sum contracts are typically managed through formal change orders and may not directly affect payment incentives. Time and materials contracts. These contracts offer flexibility for handling changes but may not involve performance-related adjustments. In summary, managing incentive-based payment contracts involves a focus on performance metrics, variable payments linked to achievement, and a unique risk allocation structure. These contracts motivate contractors to excel in project delivery while managing performance-related risks. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective contract management and achieving the desired project outcomes.